Meet the fairy armadillo, the smallest of the armadillo family found in the deserts of Argentina. With its compact, sand-pink shell, it navigates underground like a living shovel, digging fast and efficiently through arid terrain. This nocturnal creature spends the majority of its life hidden from sight, burrowing to avoid predators and extreme temperatures. Despite its reclusive nature, the fairy armadillo plays a crucial role in soil aeration, impacting its delicate ecosystem. Continued habitat destruction threatens this secretive creature, making awareness and conservation efforts essential to preserving its unique contributions to the environment.